Do you want to add a little spice to your plain shirts? Today we're going to use machine embroidery to stitch these fun floral button covers. We will stitch these in our 80 weight DecoBob as well as our 40 weight Polyfast to show you how different threads can affect the final result. Here's what you'll need: a digitized floral button cover design. We have included a link below to the file that we used in this project. Cotton fabric similar to your shirt fabric. Creative mediums: stretch guard, Lace Maid, instant applique, and the applique transfer sheet. A thread of your choice: either DecoBob 80 weight cottonized polyester or Polyfast 40 weight tri-lobal polyester. DecoBob pre-wound bee bobbins, size for Bernina machines. And we will be stitching this project on the Bernina B990. To get started, we will want to stabilize our fabric. Stretch fabric shift during stitching. Stabilizers control stretch and prevent distortion. First, fuse stretch guard to the wrong side of the fabric. This will support the fabric while maintaining flexibility. Next, prepare instant applique for the placement step. Print the design on the applique transfer sheet and place it on the instant applique. Rough cut out this design, peel the back paper off the instant applique, and place it on the wrong side of the material. Cut out the design. Leave the other paper on until you are ready to place it in the hoop. Hoop Lace Maid tight and flat. Aim for a drum-tight surface. Lace Maid acts as a stitch base, then rinse away later. Thread the Bernina B990 with either DecoBob or Polyfast on top, and load of DecoBob pre-wound bee bobbin in the bobbin. A lightweight bobbin thread keeps the back neat and keeps the button covers flexible. Load the floral button cover design on the Bernina B990. First, stitch the placement outline on Lace Maid. Peel off the paper on the back of the fabric and stick it down inside the placement line. Keep stretch guard on the fabric back. Now it's time to stitch the floral designs. We stitched the first set of the button covers with DecoBob. DecoBob sinks into the fabric cleanly because of the fine 80 weight thread. You get soft coverage, crisp edges, and clean details without heavy buildup. The matte finish keeps the embroidery subtle, which is great for button covers. We also stitched the same design with Polyfast, our 40 weight tri-lobal polyester. The heavier weight means heavier coverage and features a bold, glossy finish. It's totally up to you and how you want your button covers to look. Use Polyfast for shine and strong color impact, or use DecoBob for a delicate finish that blends into fabric. When the machine embroidery is finished, run the embroideries under warm water to rinse away the Lace Maid. Allow them to dry and then give them a quick press. Cut the opening in the buttonhole of each embroidered cover. Slide the cover over a button. Repeat down the shirt placket for a full set. And there you have it, a striking set of button covers that add a pop of excitement to an otherwise dull shirt. DecoBob and Polyfast deliver fine and subtle embroideries that really suit embellishments like this. Each thread brings its own unique style and finish, giving you more creative options. Our creative mediums also simplify and support every part of your project. Stretch guard supports the fabric, Lace Maid creates a clean finish after rinsing, and instant applique with the applique transfer sheet helps prep the fabric cleanly. Try out DecoBob or Polyfast when making your own button covers and let us know which thread you prefer. Happy stitching!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.